This is the ruins of Eonyang Eupseong Fortress, built in the ancient Goryeo Dynasty and destroyed later. The only clue to confirm that there existed a fortress is the remaining ramparts. The description of the fortress had been made possible only through archaeological studies. However, we now can see a restored version of the fortress through the augmented reality application. Visitors to Eonyang Eupseong Fortress can look around the fortress through the AR application downloaded onto their smartphones.
정강현실 콘텐츠 앱은 시간과 장소에 상관없이 완전히 복원된 명소를 생생하게 만날 수 있습니다.
Visitors who put on the 360-degree VR headsets will also be able to find themselves inside a completely restored fortress. People now can vividly enjoy journeys of their historical and cultural heritage sites either through AR or VR.